Tastes too good to be keto.
All right, welcome back to Michele's Blackstone. And tonight for dinner, we're gonna have some chicken, some asparagus, and some keto noodles on the griddle. So check out my ingredients. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of ghee and I'm gonna put it down on the Blackstone. Just gonna spread it around. I am going to put my chicken down, get that going. One more. All right, I'm gonna season the chicken with the Pepper Palace 5-pepper seasoning. If you guys don't know these guys, they're really great seasonings, marinades, barbecues, check them out. Also gonna put some chicka-licka bam bam on my chicken. This is from Fire and Smoke Society. I am gonna come over here and I'm going to start the asparagus. We are gonna do an even thin layer. Hello? I don't know where you guys are, but it is hotter than Hades here, and I'm outside griddling on the griddle. Gotta love that. I'm a dedicated griddler. Let's add some minced garlic to our asparagus over here. I'm also gonna add the Mediterranean blend. This is also made by Fire and Smoke Society. I'm going to season my asparagus with this. This is a whole lot of flavor happening here. All right, we're gonna steam our asparagus. Next, I'm gonna add the keto noodles to the griddle. I'm gonna just warm those up. While we're kind of waiting on everything to cook, guys, I want you to check out Wine Taste Wednesday. That's on Wednesdays. Or tailgating, Taste of Tailgating. That's on Thursdays. It's my take on tailgating food. It's spectacular, different ideas. You'll have to check it out. If you're a nurse, you know. Now enjoy your badass meal.